Hey, Skip Drummer. Back from a small vacation here, a little bit of holiday season. It is now 2018. I'm back. Got another video for you here, a little thumping on the drums on my DM10 ALESIS and my ALESIS NITRO kit. I married them both together here. I've got some mesh heads, or, things here I'll show you in another video. I think what I'll do is do a little banging here, warming up, and just kind of some slow stuff. And 2017 was a good year for me getting online here and doing a little drumming on YouTube. And you guys have shown your appreciation with your subscriptions and showing some love, man. I love you guys right back. Subscribe to my videos. Give me a thumbs up. I'd like to see some comments down there telling me how my sound is. If the sound is good, it's coming through. I'm just doing everything in mono here. I don't really plan on doing this in stereo, but give me some comments and maybe I can switch over to stereo and we can go from left to right, right to left. I also like to remind people out there listening to my videos that all the other videos on drumming you might listen to where people might tell you, oh, you have to have a Roland set or a Yamaha set. Remember that the NITRO kit is just for beginners and just for that initial, and they're going to break or fall apart. That's not true. I've been beating the hell out of my NITRO kit for over 2 years, and I haven't had one thing break. Everything still works. The DM10, the same way. You can mix them together, plug one module into another, and get all kinds of sounds. And you're still not, if you even indulge like I did and add a bunch of stuff on like I have, and, things you've made, plugged in, cheap otherwise, you still won't spend as much as these crazy Roland kits where they want $8,000 or $6,000 for Yamaha. You don't need that. That's nonsense. You don't even need software like Easy Drummer or stuff. You don't even need that. You got the modules. Listen to it. It's everything's up here. Use the stuff you have that you bought and paid money for, and that's how you get the sounds you want. That's how you get what you want out of your drums, your electronic drums. Learn to enjoy them. Don't learn to spend a lot of money on them. Learn to have fun with them. Don't learn to try to keep up with the Joneses. Don't make it a money thing. Make it a drumming thing. It's not the drums that make the drummer. It's the drummer that makes the drums. Practice. Have fun. I'd like to add a little note to that, too, that drums without music is really not much fun. I've been playing drums for a long time, and I always find that just sitting and practicing by myself or just warming up or just goofing around, without music, drums aren't really that much fun. And I'm an avid drummer. I love drums. I love percussion. But I just don't think they're much fun without a band or without people to play with or without music. Drums require music. Music of any other kind do not require the drums. I've seen people play guitar and piano and woodwinds and everything else without any percussion or drums whatsoever. Whereas drums, they require music. They require you to have music to play drums and enjoy it. So remember, to get better at drums, have fun with drums, and keep motivating yourself with drums. Always do it with band or other people playing, or with music you download or music you have on your MP3s. Always try to play to music. It is always going to make you a better drummer, hands down a better drummer. Like now, I should be playing with music or something, and it'd probably make the video maybe a little more interesting, but I'm kind of just trying to show sounds and change beats every couple of beats, different things, just throwing them up in the air and playing. So you can hear about people that want to buy electronic drums, can hear the sounds, and get into electronic drumming if you really can't get into acoustic drumming because of the sound. That's primarily the way I look at it. That's about it. I'm going to do a little banging here, and we'll see what goes on. Make some settings here. My computer seems to be jumping around. I don't know what's going on there. But let's see what we got. All right. Back to you guys again. Here we go. And Happy New Year 2018. Remember, don't hit anybody else. Hit your drums. Well, that's a little New Year's drumming there. I guess that moves some of the cholesterol out of my bloodstream. All right, you guys, thanks for subscribing. More subscribers would be appreciated. Like my video. Subscribe. And I'll be out putting some more videos out. I'm going to put one out on my kit the way I've made it different since the last time. The Mutant, Mighty Mutant, DM10, ALESIS NITRO. Crazy kit. I'm going to give you some shots of the top and everything and what I did. And how you all can do all of this and have all these crazy things to hit on. Double bass and everything. For under what even, your average Roland kit or Yamaha kit would cost. It's just outrageous. It's not the money, it's the fun, baby. All right, you guys, Happy New Year. Thanks for tuning in. Skip Drummer signing out.